Maria lived alone in a small apartment in the city. She was 45 years old and worked as a nurse. Her life seemed simple, but she had a big secret that made her heart hurt every day. The past. 25 years ago, Maria had a baby. She was very young, only 20 years old. She was not married. Her family was angry with her. They told her she could not keep the baby. "You are too young," her mother said. You cannot take care of a child." Maria cried, but she knew her family was right. She made a difficult decision. She gave her baby girl to a good family who could care for her. On the day she gave her baby away, Maria held her for hours. The baby had beautiful blue eyes, just like Maria's. Then she said goodbye. The social worker took the baby. Maria's heart broke into pieces that day. The years pass. Maria became a nurse. She worked hard. She saved lives. But she never forgot her baby girl. Every year on her daughter's birthday, Maria would buy a small gift. She would wrap it and keep it in a special box. She hoped that one day she might find her daughter again. The search. When Maria turned 40, she started to search. She saved money, she hired a lawyer, she looked for information about her baby. It was not easy. The adoption was closed. This meant Maria could not get information easily. But Maria never gave up hope. She seen the unexpected call. On a cold Tuesday morning, Maria's phone rang. It was a woman's voice. "Are you Maria Rodriguez?" the woman asked. "Yes," Maria said. "My name is Lisa. I think you might be my birth mother." Maria's hands shook. Her heart started to beat very fast. The meeting. They agreed to meet at a small cafe near Maria's apartment. Maria was so nervous. What would her daughter look like? Would she be angry? Would she want to know Maria? Lisa walked into the cafe. She had blue eyes, just like in the baby photo Maria had kept all these years. "Mom," Lisa said. Maria started to cry. At the story, Lisa told Maria everything. She had a good life. Her parents loved her very much. They told her she was adopted when she was 16. "I always wanted to find you," Lisa said, "but I was scared." Maria understood. She was scared too. The family. Lisa had a husband and 2 children. She wanted Maria to meet them. Slowly, they started to build a relationship. Maria met her grandchildren. They were beautiful. They hugged her and called her grandma. Her heart felt full of love. The healing. Not everything was perfect. Some days were hard. Lisa's parents were worried about their relationship with Maria. But Maria and Lisa kept trying. They had dinner together. They talked on the phone. They shared stories. the truth. Maria told Lisa why she gave her up for adoption. She was young, she was alone. She wanted Lisa to have a good life. I never stopped loving you, Maria said. Lisa hugged her. I know, she said. Love. Love is complicated. It is not always easy. Sometimes love means letting go. Sometimes it means holding on. Maria's love for her daughter was always there, even when they were apart, even when they did not know each other. The present. Now Maria is not alone anymore. She has her daughter. She has her grandchildren. She has a family she thought she would never have. Every birthday, Lisa comes to Maria's apartment. They take photos. They laugh. They cry. They love each other. The lesson. Some stories have happy endings. Some stories take a long time to become happy. Maria's story is about hope. It is about love. It is about never giving up.